What's good, y'all? You already know who it is. Just got beats, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I dragged a sample into BEATMAKER3 and created a whole beat in BEATMAKER3, stretched it, chopped it, all that good stuff. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step. So let's get to it. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and take a listen to the sample. I'm going to auto detect the sample. I'm showing you guys step by step. I'm going to live stretch it. I'm going to chop it up, and I'm going to pitch it down. So you guys are going to see all that on the screen. Just follow along with me. If you have any questions, comments, just feel free to leave that at the end, alright? Right, so once we auto slice it and we get it on all the 16 pads that we want, just go ahead and play whatever pattern sounds good to you. Doesn't matter. This is your creative world. Do what you want to do. I did what I did. You guys can see it right there on the screen. So for this sample, I wanted to create kind of like a stop tape effect on it. So what I did was, once I laid the pattern out for that, I went inside the pattern, I just highlighted it, edited, and then I put some notes at the bottom, or you can put them at the top. It doesn't matter. It creates kind of like a stop tape effect. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Pretty much after you get your sample all laid out the way you want it, into the pattern the way you want, you can go ahead and start laying the drums. So I just pulled a sample from the FT trap kit. It's a kit that I got a while ago. You know, make sure you guys are getting quality sounds as well. So I pulled that one, put the clap in there. So I got my clap on every third. Pretty much what I did was found a sample hat that I liked, went ahead, dragged it up into the first pad, and then all you gotta do is, next to the velocity key is the roll key. Use that. That way you can switch up the hats, do triplets, 16th notes, however you want to do it. And next, but certainly not least, is the 808. I used the 808 Love Kit, which is another older kit that I got a while back, and I haven't really had time to use all of them because I'm just always trying to collect as many kits as I can, tweak the sounds and stuff like that. So that's what I use for the 808 bass. Next, I used a stock kit. I believe it's the Lo-Fi kit inside of BEATMAKER3, and I used the rim shot and the shaker because I wanted to create more of a fullness for the entire beat as well as for the drums. So that's what I did with that. Alright, and lastly, I added a ARP sound to it because I felt like it needed something here and there, you know, not just going with that one sample.
Next, we're going to lay the pattern out, and I'm going to let you guys listen to the beat. You guys also be sure to comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know if you love the beat, if you hate the beat, if you guys have any questions on anything in BEATMAKER3, because I'm really starting to get handy with this, so just let me know. Leave a comment at the bottom, or you can go ahead and DM me. Or you can hit me up at jessicagotbeats@gmail.com.